Injalo bafowethu ngithi ngimi uProf CM Likhulweni inyanga muni inyanga kutikota inyanga kutusisa inyanga yakubhashishwa ngqondo hlala bamzonda thambile nyoko nkulumo zabantu ziyakhulumisa ngaba sikhulumisa ngasikhulumi kanje hayi ngithi uzozonda uzuthande angisono sila esigodlweni nginaye phela maluma Karabo udirile bunolo bebathi angeke ngwabambi isheshe urin brakebi
ngiyakubuli all right, thanks bro. Okay, so as you know, we get phone calls. Now you are taller. My phone calls, I get phone calls. Mhlambe wena more than me. People trying to sell us inhloko zabantu, amathambo and whatever. I don't know what the SAPS trying to frame us or ganjani. I don't know. But there's a group of people kona manje according to ngene fashion in pangolin or something like that. That scaly animal and whatever. Abantu bathi bayiphethe and bafuna ama $500,000 nama 300,000 omunye bakathi unabantu bangayisplit into 3 singenza ideal whatever. So I don't want to say anything. The way you taught me is that there's nothing in that animal, but ngifuna ukuthi wena we explain ukuthi is there any power kulento lena compared to ezinye izinto, and then why all of a sudden sengene fashioning or mhlambe kukhona othole a way yokuyisebenzisa in a way singazi thina, but what's up with this hype yephangolini khona manje?
Prof ngiyabonga ngizothi Prof ngiyabonga Brakebi yazi Brakebi iphangolini ithandwa abantu, iphangolini ithanda abantu abamhlophe. So abantu baye bathathe this thing ukuthi leswan lo ayibelungu basithanda, which means sinemali, you understand, and then bese athi umuntu hayi isandawana umunye ujwe kufonela hey Prof ngiphethe isandawana la ngithe wena unamanga athi nayi Prof can shoot and send it to you sinika 150,000 ngathi nidakiwe 150,000 for what? Cause lento lena yinto eyenhlanhla. That's why ithandwa abantu noma uyibona iTV babona amadlala nabelungu bathi hayi njengoba ithanda abelungu kusho ukuthi isandawana noma ini. They don't understand ukuthi iphangolina even mangathi leyo nyanga ithi mina Prof iphangolina ngayenza 1 2 3 4 cha ayenze wena, but mase siyeqinisweni iphangolina yenhlanhla isilwane esokuthi futhi asidingi ukuthi uzusibulale ukuthi ube naso ekhaya uba nenhlanhla wena selo. So umuntu mase athi no ngifuna iphangolina ngifuna athi ahamba bulala usuka lo muntu loyo asangene, but iphangolini ikwazi ukwakha inhlanhla for wena, and iphangolina is not healthy ukuthi ma ube nayo ekhaya. Amaphoyisa mangakuthola ungana license khona they will arrest you uboshwe. So umuntu mayizolegama ukuthi lesilwane ngizoboshwa kusho ukuthi sinamandla sifana nabo Phondo likaBhejane sifana nani khaba futhi iphangolini zephangolini isilwane esinomusa, isilwane esinenhlanhla, isilwane esiletha inhlanhla emntwini. Uma ukwazi kuyenza inhlabelo yakhona ngaso lesilwane uba nenhlanhla lejule kakhulu.
But you don't need it for inhla, you can use other things instead.
Yes, that's why ngithi mina you'll end up being arrested angisho uma uphethe lento le. So abantu they think ukuthi le mali le kunomunye ubhuti inhliziyo yami ibhlungu ngithi Brakebi iphangolina mawuza ne topic enje ngathi mina ngiyabonga. Yabona iphangolini umunye ubhuti he resign, he was an engineer, he resigned. Bamtshela ukuthi bona lesilwane esisiphethe la is going to give us 10 billion, and then leyo 10 billion wabuka naye wathi no ithi resign ngithathe le yamali leya ngihambe ngiyothenga namhlanje uhamba ngeenyawo sola nelincapsi lokugqoka ngenxa yokuthi lalela abantu because of walahlekela umsebenzi walahlekela yonke into. That's why ngithi let's address people baya misuse ngaphandle.
He wasn't a smart engineer. Yeah, all right. So manje let's say ukuthi uyinyanga and then you use iphangolini for example. What other things can you mix the pangolini to make apart from just inhlanta? Is there anything else like that you can use? Because the reason I suspect that someone has invented something somewhere and mhlambe asazi, but you know now in sebenza kanjani. Thola ukuthi ukhona umuntu o invented something and then mhlambe we don't know yet.
Iphangolini mina Brakebi ngathwasisa umthakathi othwalisa abantu. So bengizibona lezilwane. He taught me ukuthi yabona lesilwane lesi singena enhlanhleni. Uyabona la umuntu oyogembula ungakwazi ukusebenzisa amafutha lesilwane. Ungakwazi ukuvikela umuntu ngalama ngeskin lesakhona. Ukwazi ukuthi umuntu aqine nje ngale skin salento. Not uthi uyo blaster, not uthi uyo choke imali, not uthi uyesipokweni, not uthi in. Yabona yama umuntu angathi ngiphethe isandawana ngifuna 700,000. Pangolini
That's a bargain. 700,000 for Sandawana.
Ulahlile. Ngiyagijima ngiyithanda. Ngimtshelile naye izolo ukuthi wabona ngangifonela ukuthi nale gundwane ngiliphethe. Ngizogijima ngililala.
That's 4 million.
But so into mina abantu abangayi-understand, sorry ngeke ngikhulume ngalendaba ngicishe ngabhoboza isiphiri. Kunendawo la mina ngisithola khona Sandawana. Lula. So angikho lapho. Ngiyanthanda bafowethu. Usani ukuthi Phangolini isilwane.
Okay.
Ya blaster. Yenza yonke lezika. Anginankinga blastani or wena sebenzisa wenza uchoke imali ubuye nani. Mara mina ngiyakubhejela buya nePhangolini yakho bese ungikhomba ukuthi sihambe sedrobheni bese umix mina ngimix ngihambe mina ngiyongena emsebenzini ngibe yimanager. Ngihambe ngiyophatha ngibe yiCEO, ngihambe ngibe into ethilithi ngaso lesilwane engimixe nemithi yokuphatha.
So it's not totally useless. We can use it, but it's not what
they think it
is. Okay, and how much they are charging for. All right. Nizweleke, and if anyone is watching ubekafuna ukumfonela, please stop calling me Pangolin. And mina ngiyona inyanga guys. I don't know why nimfonela limbatla di lotali Pangolin di thoughts. Akiranga tlowa muntu na.
Tabanga nje so
anyway, siyabonga prof or else garafere.
Mara sala rabakhusi. Salo we said to people, stop, we don't do human trafficking. Umuntu athi ngifuna isandla somuntu, wenzani isandla somuntu? Umuntu athi ngifuna isandla seChina. Ambe lifuna lelo China wena.
Okay. Siyabonga prof.
Thank you sir.